So I took the privilege test and I found out that I am quite privileged, which I already knew, being a white female brought up in a middle class environment with parents that are still married, et cetera, et cetera. I think the important thing to remember is that we don't take that for granted, and we also know that we are privileged. We recognize that. I've had the opportunity to live cross culturally. I lived in Dubai for 6 years and worked there with a variety of different families from all over the world. And it just really awakened my awareness that privilege isn't just what we can attribute it to, it's so much bigger. Um, when you look at other cultures, like I live in the same country as my children, and because of that, I am so privileged. I am not stuck working for a family that has held my passport hostage and is abusing me. That's privilege. So it goes so much deeper than just some of the surface financial privileges and race privileges. And just being aware of what other people actually encounter and what's normal for them in their life has made me really appreciate everything and not take it for granted. And also just know that what true hardship is for some people. So I think having an awareness of that and sensitivity to that will help me in this professional field.